What are some common search engine marketing SEM mistakes? SEM involves paid and organic methods to increase website traffic, effectively boosting your business's visibility and reach. However, some common mistakes can be made when using SEM, leading to wasted time and money. Number 1. Failing to properly research keywords. One of the most common mistakes is failing to research keywords properly. Keywords are the terms or phrases people use when searching for information online, and if you're not targeting the right ones, your website is unlikely to be found by potential customers. Number 2. Failing to track and monitor your results. The second mistake is failing to track and monitor your results. SEM is an ongoing process, and it's important to track your progress so that you can make necessary adjustments along the way. Number 3. Forgetting to measure ROI. The third mistake is forgetting to measure your return on investment ROI. SEM can be costly, and it's important to ensure a good investment return. There are several ways to measure ROI, so choose the best method for your business. Number 4. Over-optimizing the website. The fourth mistake is over-optimizing your website. Search engines are constantly changing their algorithms, and if you try to game the system by stuffing your website with keywords or other manipulative techniques, you could be penalized. It's important to strike a balance between optimization and user experience. Number 5. Failing to adjust your strategy. Finally, failing to adjust your strategy as needed. Search engine marketing is a never-evolving field, and what works today may not work tomorrow. It's important to keep up with the latest changes and trends to adjust your SEM strategy accordingly. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.